Today in this video, I will share few basic steps with natural ingredients that will give you super smooth, flawless skin. In these steps, I have used ingredients rich in natural lactic acid that will mildly remove dead skin cells, and vitamins will nourish your skin. Before starting with these steps, wash your face with gentle face cleanser and pat it dry. Now take one slice of ripe tomato and pour a few drops of honey on this. Start to rub this on your face. Do this rubbing for 10 minutes, and then you can wipe it off. Now, in next step of this routine, we will prepare a moisturizing gel that will tighten your skin and will also give beautiful glow to your face. Take 2 cups of water in a pan. In this add half cup of flax seeds and boil it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, when you get a gel kind of liquid, turn off the flame. Let it cool, and now transfer this gel to clean bowl. Your gel is ready. Dip a clean cotton pad in this gel and apply it all over your face. Leave it for 10 minutes, and then wipe it off. The lignans present in flax seeds can help protect the skin from sun damage. Also, these seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that help to keep skin moist and supple. Last step of their routine includes hydrating face mask. To make this mask, you will need 1 ripe banana, honey, and green tea. Take 1 dry banana, peel the skin, and mash it well. If you want, you can use blender also. In this add 1 spoon of raw honey, next in this add some green tea leaves, and mix it well. Your pack is ready. Now apply a layer of this mask on your face. Leave for 15 minutes, and then rinse it off with cold water.